Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add zeros in front of number in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Often when numbering accounts, you need to enter a number with several zeros in front. For example, a number of this type. But after we enter it and press enter, Excel will automatically convert it, remove these zeros and leave only the number 7. You can get out of this situation by simply converting the cell format from general to text. We select the desired cells, row or column, and in the number section, where as you can see the current format of the selected cells is indicated, we select the text format from the list. It will be at the very bottom of the list, and now when writing zeros before digits, they will not be deleted. It's a great way, but there is a faster and more convenient way, namely to use an invisible apostrophe. For this method, we don't need to change the format of the cells, we just enter an apostrophe at the beginning of the cell before our number. The apostrophe sign is located here on your keyboard to the left of the Enter key. This symbol will only be visible in the formula bar, it will not be visible in the workspace itself or during printing. And as you can see, the zeros in front of the number are not deleted but remain in place. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.